Buc-ee's, and Rory has never been to Buc-ee's.
Well, why would I have ever?
Why wouldn't you?
What is this?
How do you feel about this Buc-ee's experience? How do you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? Oh my god! We're going to Walmart. Are you ready for? Are you Walmart? Are you Walmart ready?
Ready for Walmart?
Are you Walmart ready? Are you Walmart ready?
So Walmart ready.
We're Walmart ready. Guys, I was so excited to get my H-E-B Grand Fruit Loops, and then I realized this isn't H-E-B. So this is kind of really sad. Also, oh, I have a question for you. It's really important. Lucy, Team MBJ or Team Gronk?
You know, this is a tough decision to make. Honestly, Lucy, you know, she's a good gal.
I don't know.
MPJ, he's pretty
Yeah.
tough, but Team Gronk, he looks like he could beat me up.
Who's Gronk? Got JoJo Siwa
watches.
Welcome. Okay, alright, so we're pulling up to the Great Wolf. What's going to happen is y'all are going to stay on the bus.
We're at Great Wolf.
Swag! You need it. Everyone, food hall, go.
We have Krispy Kreme donuts, cinnamon marble pound cake, courtesy of Walmart. We have a value pack of fruit roll-ups, fruit by the foot, and fruit dashers. Barbecue Lay's baked chips. We have these two Great Wolf Lodge courtesy chewy chocolate chip bars.
Oh my god!
Yes.
We love Great Wolf.
Yes.
Thank you, Great Wolf, for sponsoring this
We
video.
have Pringles,
Don't say Great Wolf too many times.
Tootsie Roll Minis.
We'll say Big Coyote. Big Coyotes. Welcome to Big Coyote. What's another word for lodge?
The Big Coyote Cabin.
The Big Coyote Cabin. Welcome to our thing. Here's the first mirror. Oh, wait, sorry, I did this wrong. First thing you do when you walk in is you see this and that. And this is the mirror. And what is this? Does someone know what this is?
It's a hair dryer.
Oh!
Doesn't smell great. Let's just say that.
Okay, here's some soaps and things.
I almost got lost.
Here's a little tissue dispenser. Here's the recycling and the trash.
just said hi to people that I totally know it was really bad.
There's our room. You can't tell what it says, but it says Wolf Den. Here's some coffee.
Wow. I'm gonna need that.
Oh, sorry, the Coyote Den. Coyote abode. Here's the coffee maker. Here's our ice chest. Here's some hooks for towels, maybe. Here's our coyote abode. Here's my stuff. Here's the light switch that doesn't necessarily work all the time, apparently. We have a TV in our den. Here's some wolves howling together in a pack. Here's the dumb wolf that chases the butterfly. Comment down below if you think this wolf is actually Rory. Here's some naked wolves showering. Oh my god, there's one having a good time. There's a hummingbird.
Sure.
Here's then now we leave here.
I have to go because Claire's calling me.
Okay, here's
Wow.
oh my god, it's a safe. Okay.
Floor 8,
Here's
35. Not ours.
Here's some birds. Here's a television. Here's some drawers with currently nothing in them.
35.
The hall, you already saw. Here's some more food that you did not see. Here's our view.
All mounted.
But what's that lake? What are we gonna call that? Lake Team 11. We're not Team 11.
We are Team 11.
We can't be Team 11. That's probably copyrighted.
Wow.
Here's the cats.
Oh, okay. See,
That's my cat blanket. Here's the bed. There's Sarah. There's some bags.
okay, cool. Yeah, Claire said she's gonna come when she gets her swimsuit. Okay.
So we just put our shoes up, and Hannah slammed the door, and it was so scared.
Hannah, I can't believe you would do this. You Hannah. No. And Rory, no.
So story time, it's $40 per room to go to the hotel, and I don't want to do that. No, neither does anyone else in my room, and now I have to talk quieter, so bye-bye.
The water park was originally going to be $40 per room, and now we can go for free.
So we're going down to the water park. I have never been before. Oh my god, it's just like the commercials. So I'm alone in the elevator because the other people I was with got off at 5. But I have to go to 8, and now I'm going. Bye-bye. Let's see if I run into anyone. I don't really know how to get to my room. But we're gonna figure this one out together. 30, 31. I'm 35. I'm 99.7% sure. But I could be wrong because there's people in front of me and I don't want them to hear me talk. Welcome to my ASMR video, everybody. I'm gonna knock on the door and be like, I hope this is my room. We're about to get our pizza. Are you ready for this pizza? Can you eat it? No.
ASMR.
She's not ready. She's ready for the pizza she can't eat.
Her immune system is not.
Is she ready or is she not ready?
Her digestive system is not ready.
Hi. Ooh, look at that.
Do you want to see our photo?
Yeah, it's so good.
Stop. That's
I call this. This is a piece of art, and so it therefore has a name. I call it. Sarah comes into frame.
Sarah comes
into frame.
Yeah, because they were blocking me out.
6 toes. I was only 4. So many toes. I can't see the floor.